What results do AI, ML, and deep learning deep neural networks provide to industries? How will improve the efficiency of predictive maintenance? AI, ML, and deep learning, deep neural networks, provide industries with significant improvements in efficiency through predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a proactive approach to maintenance that leverages data analysis and machine learning to predict when equipment or machinery is likely to fail. Here's how it improves efficiency. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. 1. Reduce downtime and unplanned maintenance. By predicting when equipment is likely to fail, predictive maintenance allows companies to schedule maintenance activities during planned downtime, reducing the impact of unplanned breakdowns. This minimizes production interruptions and improves overall operational efficiency. 2. Optimized maintenance schedules. Predictive maintenance models can analyze historical maintenance data, equipment sensor data, and other relevant factors to optimize maintenance schedules. Maintenance is performed precisely when needed, reducing unnecessary maintenance and associated costs. 3. Extended equipment lifespan. Predictive maintenance helps prevent overmaintenance and undermaintenance. This extends the lifespan of equipment and assets, reducing the need for frequent replacements or upgrades. 4. Cost savings. By reducing emergency repairs and optimizing maintenance schedules, predictive maintenance results in cost savings. Companies can allocate their maintenance budgets more efficiently and effectively. 5. Improved safety. Proactively addressing equipment issues enhances workplace safety. Workers are less likely to encounter dangerous situations caused by sudden equipment failures. 6. Enhanced product quality. In manufacturing, equipment in good condition produces higher quality products. Predictive maintenance helps ensure that equipment is consistently in optimal working order, leading to improved product quality and fewer defects. 7. Energy efficiency. Well-maintained equipment operates more efficiently, leading to energy savings. Predictive maintenance can identify opportunities for equipment optimization, reducing energy consumption. 8. Data-driven decision-making. Predictive maintenance relies on data analysis, making it a data-driven approach. This enhances decision-making by providing actionable insights based on historical performance and real-time sensor data. 9. Remote monitoring. AI and IoT, Internet of Things, technology enable remote monitoring of equipment conditions. Maintenance teams can receive alerts and data remotely, allowing for faster response times and reduced travel costs. 10. Condition-based maintenance. Predictive maintenance can move maintenance activities from a fixed schedule to a condition-based approach. Equipment is only serviced when necessary, reducing downtime and costs. 11. Asset tracking and management. Predictive maintenance often involves asset tracking and management systems, which improve overall asset utilization and reduce idle or underutilized assets. By implementing predictive maintenance with the help of AI, ML, and deep learning technologies, industries can optimize their maintenance processes, reduce operational disruptions, save on maintenance costs, and ultimately operate more efficiently. This approach ensures that resources are allocated effectively and equipment is kept in peak condition. Thank you.